Right, so today I'm going to make a quick tutorial on the first card. So you can see this is card number 1. So you have a front and back. So the front is basically a plus b power of 2. The back is basically how you expand this one quickly. Yeah, this is one of the very basics but very important formula in MF, because until like form 5 I can see still a lot of students they cannot straight away expand this one. They will kind of like expand it manually, like draw the two different bracket like a plus b multiply a plus b. But let's practice how to use this one and you will benefit a lot from it. Okay, so you just imagine, so right now this one will be your a and this one will be your b. So this formula tell you what? When a plus b square, you should get something like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let's practice this one until you really get into it. So my a is x, right? So a square is basically x square. And my b over here is 3. So 3 square, I believe a lot of students can do very fast. 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, there's a plus and plus here. Yeah, the complicated part is the middle part, because it's 2 multiply a multiply b. So basically it's 2 multiply x multiply 6. But normally, in order to make our brains can process this one faster, I prefer to use the 2 to multiply the number first, then only multiply the x. So here, I kind of play some tricks here. I do something like 2ba, because my b is a number, a is an x. Do you see? My b is a number, a is an x. So if I do this one, I will do 2 multiply 3, which is 6, isn't it? Then multiply x, middle is 6x. See? I straight away expand this one already. So let's practice one more time. So let's say today I have x plus 5 power of 2. Then I will have the first one, I square the a, which is x squared. The second one, I square the b, which is 25. 5 multiply 5, I get 25. Then the middle one is 2 multiply a multiply b. But since the b is a number, I will use the 2. I will use the 2 multiply the b first, which is 2 times 5 is 10. Multiply x, I got the middle one, 10x. Okay, what if today we have the number here? I mean x minus 4 power of 2. The logic is still the same. So the first one we square the x, we get x squared. Then now, middle is 2 multiply a multiply b. So I will use 2 multiply negative 4. You just imagine 2 multiply negative 4, you get negative 8. Multiply x, so this one will be negative 8x. But normally I'm lazy to like simplify this one, plus multiply minus to get a negative. So what I will do here is I will straight away write negative 8x. Then lastly is plus negative 4 multiply negative 4, we get 16. Okay, let me give you the last example. So let's say today I have something like 2x minus 3 squared. Okay, this one will getting slightly more complicated, but it's not like very hard. So the first one, I will square this one. 2x multiply 2x, you just imagine, 2x multiply 2x. So you will get 4x squared. And then the last one is basically minus 3 multiply minus 3. You will get positive 9. Right, then the middle one, you imagine 2 multiply, so you just imagine you have 2. You multiply the 2 first, you get 4. 4, you multiply the negative 3, you get negative 12, isn't it? So I will straight away get negative 12x. Alright, so I hope this example enough for you to understand how to use the first card. So first thing, you just memorize this thing, and then you just keep on practice until you really can get the idea how to expand a plus b square, so that you know it's a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you can try to apply what is your a and b, and remember, keep on practice until you really get into it. Alright, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.